Hello, fellow Toastmasters. Today I'm doing a short tutorial on how to run a meeting roll report from the club website. This helps with tracking member meeting roles and pathways when you enter it into your profile. And I know if you're like me, you're busy, you don't remember when and what roles you may have filled at meetings that we've had in the past. This is the way that you can figure that out. You go to our club website and you log in as a member. You would just enter your credentials here. And once you do that, you can now enter the members only section of the website. And that's here on the left, members only. And you want to go to the meeting agendas. That is where the reports are run from. This will look a little different. I'm a current VPE, so I have a lot of buttons, but every member has this little button shaped like a person, and it is for meeting reports. When you click on that, a pop-up comes up. There's a few different report types you can do. We want to see meeting roll reports for roles from all of the meetings, so we click the first one. And you might not have an option here to pick a report for. I'm able to do that for everyone, but I'm thinking that for just a normal member, you will have your own name. If not, please select your own name. You select a start date. I would like to know what meeting roles I have filled this year. So I'm going to pick January 1, 2019. Then you would click this Run Download button. You can print this if you would like. Today I'm not needing to do that, so I'm going to hit cancel. Now, in order to advance to a level 4 in pathways, you have to complete the role of Toastmaster, the role of Table Topics Master, and the role of Speech Evaluator. Say I want to know when is the last time I was the Table Topics Master for a meeting so that I can go and enter it in my Pathways profile. You would do a Control F or a find, and you would hit Table Topics. And this will highlight for me the table topic roles that I have completed. I'm going to go all the way down. I want to know the most recent one. And as you can see, it was August 13th, 2019. But it also shows me all of the roles that I've completed this year. And it's can be as big of a report as you want or as small. You could just do it month by month if that's what you need to do. But it shows you everything. And these agendas have been reconciled since March. So if you look at the report since March, it is accurate data of what has happened at each meeting. That is how you run a report, and it is very useful. So it's just the little person icon, and you run a report on yourself and see what you have done at each meeting. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and I will see you at the next meeting.